If you want to use Call Toolbox on POCO M8, then in that case, once you are on a phone call, for example on the call menu, then you can find, of course, the sidebar on the left side, at least by default. So we can just move it towards the middle in order to open the Call Toolbox. Now in this case, unfortunately, the only thing that we have in here is the fill light, which I'm not sure if it's like any relevant to the Call Toolbox. Maybe if you actually use like a video call instead. But yeah, this is the only thing. Unfortunately, there is no noise reduction or anything like that. Now, if you don't have the Call Toolbox visible in here, then what you can do is you can open settings and scroll down to additional settings in here. Then look for floating windows, and after that go to the side toolbox where we can find the Call Toolbox. So of course you want to make sure that it is enabled. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.